What's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning. Hope everything is going good for you this long weekend. Hope everybody had some fun. Back to the grind tomorrow. All right, let's get into what's going on here, guys. Not a financial advisor, not financial advice. Make sure you guys are doing your research out there, okay? Quick shout out to the channel sponsor, L Bank. Click the link down below for that. Pick up your Caspa, your Quant, your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, your XRP, your Jasmy, whatever it is. Pick it up there. They got no KYC. They got spot trading, leverage trading, copy trading. Check them out. Support the channel. Super, super awesome. All right, guys. So BTC still bouncing off 26,000. It's created a pretty strong resistance there. 25.8 right now. Like I said, guys, I think we're going to see a leg down to 23, but that's just me. Gala continues to spiral down 4.1%. Quant, $97 quant. Fantastic. CAS was down almost 4%. Good DCA opportunity there. What else we got? Glimmer down 1.1%. Dion pumping 12%. Great DC. Great time to take some profits on that. Taraxa's down 3%. Good DCA there. Jasmy's up 2%. XLM pumping 5.2%. SEI Network down 1.5%, and Telos down 2.2%. So great opportunities out there, guys. My DCAs of the day would probably have to be Taraxa, Caspa, and Quant. That would be my DCAs for this morning. Right. Let's see what's going on, shall we? Brave Crypto buying space. MBC Global at high $9 and low $10 is an absolute no-brainer, or should I say it's a big brain move. MVP swap, the native DEX on MVC is naturally a big brain move as well. Bought myself a nice $5K bag. So the ticker on this, guys, is Space. It's a solid L1 play, in my opinion. I brought this project to you guys about 2.5 months ago. It pumped from $2 to almost $20 after I brought it to you guys. That's why you guys, if you're looking for gems and stuff like that, for example, that we brought you Space, we brought you SEI Network before it got listed on 4 exchanges and pumped. We brought you Caspo, we brought you Taraxa, we brought you guys Trias. We bring you guys a lot of gems and stuff like that, right? So if you want to continue on getting those gems and stuff like that, you got to join the members group. I'm doing 1 gem per week right now, and if you want more, then definitely let me know, you guys, and we can increase that, no problem. I'll bring you guys low cap micro gems that are going to have fantastic ROI. So if you're interested in that, click the join button down below, and yeah, and join the member. And also do requested one-on-ones and stuff like that in the group as well. So little perks of getting some one-on-one time with me there. So solid L1s, guys, you know that. So here we go. Australia rejects crypto regulation bill. The future of cryptocurrency regulations remains uncertain in Australia after the Senate rejects the new bill that aimed to provide the framework for digital assets oversight. The Senate Economics Legislation Committee declined to approve the Digital Assets Marked Regulation Bill 2023, introduced by Senator Andrew Bragg. The committee cited the lack of detail and potential conflicts with the government's existing approach. So for me, in my initial read, what that tells me is that it needs to be altered and worked on, which is normal for bills, right? The first edition of a bill is very seldom, if ever, passed just as is, right, without being worked on or altered in any way. So Bragg criticized the rejection, claiming the Labor government had put regulating crypto in the slow lane. The bill sought to establish licensing rules and custody requirements for crypto service providers in Australia. However, the committee report argued Bragg's bill was incongruent with international standards and could enable regulatory arbitrage. Prime Minister Anthony Albanese had already initiated a separate consolidation process on crypto regulations earlier this year. In Australia, slowing down on positive crypto is Australia slowing down on positive crypto regulation. The rejection highlights Australia's cautious stance on cementing cryptocurrency laws, even as adoption rises. Like governments worldwide, Australia faces pressure to balance innovation and oversight in the fast-evolving digital asset sector. While not an outright ban, declining Bragg's bill shows Australia is pumping the brakes on crypto regulation. The government maintains that it is still consulting with industry players to shape a tailored framework. But the indefinite timeline leaves the country without legal guardrails as crypto innovation charges ahead. Australia has won praise for embracing Bitcoin's potential, though specific oversight remains a work in progress for now. The cryptocurrency industry will anxiously await the government's next regulatory move as uncertainty lingers. So we'll see what happens. I think that things just need to be, like I said before, probably just tweaked or altered, or things need to be added, things need to be taken away. But in the end, it is inevitable, in my opinion. What else do we got going on? Breaking. Gala Games, $130 million token theft, multi-million dollar lawsuit shaking the crypto world. Gala Games is in the midst of an explosive legal battle between its very own co-founders. Gala Games is a blockchain gaming platform. Founders, Shire, the CEO and Thrustin. I'm not even going to try to read their names. I butcher them every time. Shemire, we're going to call him Shemire because I can't pronounce it, alleges Thurston stole, which is the other co-creator, $130 million worth of Gala tokens. Thurston counters accusations that Shemire of mismanaging $600 million of company assets. Shemire claims Thurston, with his firm True North United Investments, moved $130 million in Gala tokens into multiple wallets, eventually selling or exchanging them. Thurston also allegedly took licenses for Gala game node operations and profited from them. Shemire's lawsuit asks for Thornton's removal as a director of Gala Games and compensation for damages. Thornton's counterclaims accuses Shemire of causing Gala to waste millions in assets, claims Shemire loaned company funds to himself for personal use, alleges that Shemire formed entities overseas for personal gain, sidelining Gala Games. Thurston's lawsuit seeks Shemire's removal as director and claims damages of at least $750 million. In March, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission sued Thurston and his companies for allegedly selling investments in fraudulent crypto mining scheme. Due to this internal dispute, the value of Gala tokens has fallen by almost 8% in 24 hours. The token is now down 97.9% from its peak value of 83 cents. Both founders want each other removed from their positions at Gala Games. Legal proceedings are ongoing, and it remains to be seen how the situation will be resolved and its lasting impact on Gala Games and its token Gala. Company reaction: Jason Briggs, president of blockchain at Gala Games, acknowledges the lawsuit and hopes for transparency. So yeah, that's the latest on it, guys. These guys, honestly, talk about destroying your own company out of spite. right? That's what these guys are doing. They're starting to throw all of this FUD out there. First, it was just a lawsuit about one guy stealing some money, some tokens, and selling them off. Now they're just flinging mud at each other, making all kinds of allegations about, and it's starting to, affect uh, the project, right? I don't think this is like for smart people. They're not that smart, in my opinion. But I mean, we'll see how things go. Steph is crypto. The task for the price of Jasmy remains the same. We need to break back above 205 and confirm bullish continuation. So if you want to see Gala continue to the upside, we need to see it break up above 205 and create support there for those that are asking. Okay, why the privacy laws in the U.S. will propel Jasmy's triumph in the U.S. market. 2023 has been a big year for businesses in the United States. Laws about privacy have changed, and one company, Jasmy, is doing something really smart to follow these laws and become super successful. Let's dive into what's happening in simpler words. Texas does privacy right. On June 18th, Texas made a new law called the Texas Data Privacy and Security Act. It says that businesses in Texas must protect people's data, but if you're a small business or a bank, you don't have to follow all these rules. This law starts fully working on January 1st, 2025. Oregon, sorry, Canadian, cares about data. On June 26th, Oregon passed Senate Bill 619. It's a law to keep your personal data safe. Businesses now have to say who they're sharing your data with. This law will be in full swing on July 1st, 2024. Delaware joins the Privacy Club. Delaware also made the privacy law called the Delaware Personal Data Privacy Act on June 30th. It's like the law in Connecticut, but with some changes. Even hospitals and schools have to follow it if the governor says yes. It's supposed to start on January 1st, 2025. Connecticut leads the way since July 1st. The Connecticut Data Privacy Act is making sure businesses in Connecticut or those dealing with Connecticut people keep your data safe. You also have rights to control your data. Connecticut's extra online rules on June 6th, Governor Lamont signed Senate Bill 3, which adds more rules to the CTDPA. Now it also covers your health information, where your phone is, and rules for kids' data. SEC data, oopsie. The SEC told everyone that they had a big problem with data. They let people see stuff they shouldn't have. This affects almost 90 cases. It's a big deal, showing how important it is to keep data safe. Senators protect data. Some senators made a new law to protect American data from other countries. They only want data to go to safe places. It's about trust. OMB gives more time. The government is giving more time to companies to make their software safe. It's a good thing because it helps keep our computers and data safe. Bad bug at the DOE. The Department of Energy had a problem with the computer bug. It let bad people see their files. The DOE is fixing it and making sure it doesn't happen again. FTC cares about health data. The FTC wants to make sure that when health data gets leaked, people know about it quickly. They're asking for people's ideas on how to make this better. DHS protects important information. The Department of Homeland Security made new rules to keep important information safe. It's because we need to keep things secret sometimes. In this dynamic world of evolving regulations, Jasmy demonstrates how compliance with privacy laws can drive substantial success in the U.S. corporate arena. It's essential to perceive Jasmy not merely as a cryptocurrency, but as a household brand that the U.S. cannot overlook. Remember, while businesses may come and go, laws are established to endure for years to come. In 2024, with significant shifts in data legislation, Jasmy is poised to stand out the most. Exactly, and this is the point that I try to get across to people when they ask me why I'm bullish on Jasmy, right? Data democracy and monetization is going to be the future. Your personal data is like digital gold now, right? It's what all these companies want. They want your statistics. They want your data so they can target people in terms of sales and things of that nature, right? So Jasmy's at the forefront of this. That's what some people don't seem to realize. Okay, CryptoCasinoStake.com reportedly hacked for $41.3 million. Popular Casino Crypto. This is the sponsor of, I think, BitBoy Crypto's channel too. Popular Crypto Casino Stake appears to be the latest victim of a costly security exploit, according to on-chain analysts. Over 41.3 million worth of funds has been drained from Stake's wallet across multiple blockchains. First flagged by analyst Sivers, the incident involves a reported private key that leaked enabled the withdrawal of 15.7 million in Ethereum from Stake's Ethereum wallet. Crypto sleuth Zach XBT shares the cost of the exploit. So Crypto sleuth shared the figure, adding that 15.7 million in ETH was taken, along with 26.6 million stolen from Stake's Polygon and Binance Smart Chain wallets. The funds have been converted to ETH and sent to various external wallets. Stake, an Australian crypto casino and sportsbook that generated 2.6 billion in 2022 in revenue, per the Financial Times. It still holds around 2.4 million in its comprised Ethereum wallet based on Etherscan data. Withdrawals appear to have been paused, matching user reports on Twitter. While details remain limited, the evidence points clearly to Stake as the latest platform exploit by hackers. Security weaknesses continue to put user funds at risk, recalling last year's Hacktober wave of breaches. For Stake's customers, many questions remain unanswered. However, the company has yet to issue an official statement and an alleged multi-million-dollar hack on the hack. As crypto platforms face an extended downturn, security is paramount, but the Stake situation exemplifies the risk is still abound, highlighting the urgent need for robust safeguards and protocols across the industry. Yeah, and that's the scary thing, guys, with digital money, digital currency. It's just this constant hacking that people are doing, and it can be scary, right? But yeah, I don't know. Scary stuff, guys. Anyways, like I said before, that is the news. Like I said before, make sure you smash that like, guys. Smash that subscribe button. We broke up above 800. Fantastic. Awesome. So happy about that. And yeah, check out the link down below for LBank. Like I said, channel sponsor, no KYC. Do your spot trading, your copy trading, your leverage trading there. And yeah, like I said, check out the members side, guys, if you want access to me and to new gems every week, micro cap gems. Check out the membership side. So anyways, I'm going to get out of here, guys. I'll talk to you later. I'll be here tonight for the live stream. Don't miss that. And I'll see you guys in the next one.